Hello, dear viewers. Today we are going to present a dish, specialty Moroccan cooking. We preferred outdoors cooking to prepare our lamb tagine with raisins. The ingredients are paprika, turmeric, ground black pepper, ground ginger, good quality olive oil. Before putting our pieces of lamb in the tagine, we marinated in the ingredients mentioned before. First of all, we heat the oil, then we put the meat in the tagine. We add raisins. We turn our pieces of meat until they become golden brown. We add pieces of sliced onions. We add raisins. And chili pepper. The end we add hard-boiled egg halves and ground black pepper.